think the lesser I say about the movie, the better, because it's such a visual film. It's got special effects. It's about aliens, it's about UFOs, crop circles, an unknown village in India. So the lesser. I mean, there's been so many different versions of it in print and what people have said about it, that the lesser you say, the better. I think people need to watch this film to see what it's all about.
अच्छा, जोकर का
जोकर पिक्चर का नाम है नाइस।
कौन है जोकर?
जोकर में अक्षय साहब है, मीनाक्षी सिन्हा है।
से जोकर
I'm the Joker.
Who is जोकर है?
It's imaginary, it's fiction.
और असरानी जी है, बिंदु जी है, चल रहे हैं। और डायरेक्टर साहब है अपने,
बराबर है
डायरेक्टर साहब का नाम शिरीष कुंदन सर।
The Joker is Mr. Akshay Kumar. He is in this band. If you go in at your own risk. You might never come out. Yeah.
I don't know.
You tell me.
I don't know where he is.
जोकर कौन है?
जोकर मैं हूँ, आप हो, सब है, हम सभी जोकर हैं।
I think you can find Joker everywhere. Everywhere, as in like in Bombay also. When we go and ask for the location, all police station and BMC there. It's not under our territory. Joker.
Just wait.
No idea. जोकर. Just guess.
Joker is a village, Paglapur. That is soul of the film is Joker basically.
Yes.
You're the Joker. You're filming it.
मेरे हिसाब से हर आदमी जोकर है, हर आदमी अपने आप में जोकर है।
Joker.
You have to ask the producer.
You can tell me whatever comes to your mind.
I can't tell. I don't know.
जोकर क्या है? सबको हंसाता है, रुलाता है. So maybe that's how it is. Even I have no idea what Joker would be in this movie, but obviously Joker सबको हंसाता है, रुलाता है. ये full on entertainment.
Joker, we called him Joker once upon a time.
Well, you definitely can find him in Paglapur.
Yeah, Joker is actually not to do with the circus or with a clown or something. It's actually the Joker that is in a pack of cards.
There is a Joker which does not belong to any color.
But it's also the most important card because Joker जिसके हाथ में आता है, he can get a trump and he can win the game.
In this film, Joker represents a place which is not on the map of India.
Paglapur is a Joker in this. It's a village that doesn't belong to any state and nobody wants it till something happens there and then everybody wants it. And it's a trump card. Whichever state it will go to, that state will prosper and become wealthy.
तुम्हारे गांव का नाम क्या है?
पगलापुर। मैं यहाँ हमारे गांव के पानी की समस्या लेकर आया हूँ।
हम यहाँ समस्या सुनने बैठे हैं। आपका गांव शायद एमपी में होगा।
आपका गांव राजस्थान में होगा।
हमारा गांव पगलापुर हिंदुस्तान के नक्शे पे है ही नहीं।
नक्शे में नहीं है? कहाँ गया?
पगलापुर को गुमनामी से निकालकर नक्शे पर डालना ही होगा, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं, दिमाग लड़ाकर।
What do you mean, Agastya?
दिमाग लड़ाकर, by fighting brains.
A lot of fun because they're so the way they're written. I think the characters have turned out even better because of the people that are playing the roles. People like Bindu and Sanjay Mishra, even Rajesh Hirji, people like that. They add so much life to the character with bringing their own comedy. Their timing and everything is so impeccable that they've made it even funnier than it was written.
I think Akshay's character is something very different from what he's been playing or what he's played. He's very intense, very subdued. I think I like him like that. And all the people, Shreyas has a lovely role in the film. So is Sonakshi, of course, she's the main lead. But other than that, other characters all have been completely little mad and living in a place called Paglapur, obviously. And so they all have their quirks and their madness to them. And I also like the little aliens a lot.
The show must go on. हमें ये तमाशा जारी रखना है.
बगलापुर के लिए आज ही इंडिपेंडेंस, आज ही के दिन इस गांव में
वो हमारे राष्ट्रपिता हैं।
गांधी जी जैसे तो नहीं लग रहे।
नहीं, ये लॉर्ड फकिंग इन्होंने ही पहले रात में पहला वार किया।
हाँ, ये भी यहाँ के पागल खाने में थे।
प्रणाम क्या तेरा बाप करेगा?
Fly and smash a tum-tummy driven by one scared guy, Aryan Babbar, and with two passengers. One of them has seen this village, Akshay, and the other one has never seen this village, Sona. Because like this, you'll definitely break, I think.
I think Shreyas is such a good actor, you know, the kind of role that he's done in this film.
In the morning when the whole world is sleeping, but it's always fun to do action. I didn't do anything, I just jumped. Rest, Dada, Masterji, and everybody in the team is doing everything, so I am only jumping. That's all that I'm doing, and if anything happens to me, it is not my fault, it is their fault.
But you're having fun.
Yeah, it's good fun.
I don't know how many other people could have pulled it off, and he's such a good actor.
Action!
Manisha, we had a little bit of an interaction, but very sweet girl, very encouraging, and it was nice to work with them. When we were shooting for Joker, he played all the pranks in his book on me. By the time we finished shooting for Rowdy, I was such an expert at all his pranks that even if he thought of playing a prank on me, I said, you're up to something. So Joker was like his experimentation ground and my learning ground. this was actually the second film I started shooting for after Dabangg. This is when, just before this, I had met Akshay for the first time, and you know, he's such a great actor, he's such a good co-star to have that. He never makes you feel uncomfortable. He's so jovial, he's so friendly with everybody on the sets, and you know, it automatically became very comfortable, and it was very nice to work with him right from the start.
The shot ले रहे हैं.
Okay, moving on.
As a director, he's very good. He gives, as an actor, you like having your liberties, right, to be able to play the role the way you want. Even though it was my second film, I think he showed a very trusting quality. He let me do the role as I liked, and not many people, you know, would do that with a newcomer. And so I appreciate that quality in him. And you know, he's because when I asked him, you know, why aren't you telling me anything? Am I doing something wrong? He said, no, you're doing everything right. That's why I'm not telling you anything, which is very encouraging for someone who's, you know, one film old at that point of time. So, great director to work with. I mean, he knows what he is doing. He knows what he wants out of his actors, out of his characters. He is very much into his own work.
सिरिश जो है पूरी फिल्म बेसिकली एडिटिंग टेबल पे ही बनाता है. ही हिमसेल्फ इज एन एडिटर. जितनी फिल्म उसको मालूम है, किसी को भी, मुझे नहीं लगता इस यूनिट में किसी को सेंस थी फिल्म के होल स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में.
टेक 2
एक्शन.
कितना एक जगह 260 मेरे आधा किसको
जाओ 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 जाओ.
Very, very foot tapping. Really nice songs. I think we had a blast shooting them and dancing to them as well.
High energy dance. The song is very rustic and it's about people just going mad. I play like a Nautanki Wali, you know, who's probably come to visited a village, so it's just like full on energy. It's very exhausting, but it's a lot of fun. Bit of you know, my knees were going a bit jelly in the beginning because there were almost 300 people, I'm told here. It was like the place was full, almost like a village. Yes, never done it before, first time. So too many firsts happening for me this year, but no complaints. I think I coped up okay, and we shot for 5 days. So by the end of it, I was not bad.
it's actually a comparatively easier role. But of course, I learned a lot about comic timing and expressions and stuff like that because it was my second film. I learned a lot because of the people that I'm working with, and it was overall a very, very good experience.
Why are you fucking it up? हाँ बस तोड़ दो
कोई और वाला उसको वो क्या कर रहा है?
Just the fact that its uniqueness is its USP, you know, and I mean the posters and promos have already got the attention of kids, and when that happens, I think the kids drag the adults to the theaters, which is it's a good market, and it's let's see how it goes.
तू तैयार है ना? जा 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 जा